Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video we're going to look at the Leather Ultra Clean. Leather Ultra Clean is a highly effective cleaner used to provide safe, deep, effortless cleaning for all types of leather. It can not only be used on furniture, but automotive leather, clothes, equestrian leathers and any other item made from leather. We have formulated the cleaner to contain no solvents or abrasives, allowing it to remove deeply ingrained dirt and grime from leather safely without causing any damage. It's an effective water-based leather cleaner, making it ideal for cleaning any colour and type of leather, including light colours that tend to show the dirt more clearly, like this piece of leather here. As you can see, on this piece of leather, which we've kept from an old sofa, the original clean colour is visible on the edge where it was stitched to another panel. You can see that all the dirt is ingrained and embedded into the creases and valleys of the grain. Now, this is a 20-year-old sofa, and to be honest, it looks as though it was never clean in that time. So a damp cloth at this point is futile. We're going to need to use the leather cleaner. To use it, simply dampen a sponge by squeezing some product into it, agitate the sponge to create a foam, and rub it into the leather in a circular motion. By using the product as a foam, the bubbles will help lift the dirt and make quick work of even the toughest build-up of grime. As you can see, the dirt has been held in the bubbles. You should wipe away this with a clean cloth before the bubbles have time to disperse. As you can see, simply using the cleaner with a sponge gives great results. However, for larger areas and to speed up the process, you may consider using the leather cleaning brush and foaming bottle. The cleaner can be decanted into this bottle, which creates a rich foam when the pump is pressed. The leather cleaning brush is made from bristles which are strong enough to get into the grain of the leather, but still soft enough not to damage the surface. By using the cleaner in conjunction with the brush, you can see how quickly you can get through larger areas. This product is a great general cleaner, but for the most stubborn stains such as ink and dye transfer, you may need a specialist stain remover, but that's a different video. Back to the cleaner and correctly maintaining your leather. To keep it in pristine condition, you should give it a wipe over with a damp cloth every week or 2 weeks. This will remove any dust or debris, preventing a build-up within the grain, and you should aim to give it a deep clean with this every 3 months. For cleaning, it is the ideal time to apply a protective barrier to the surface. Our leather protection cream is perfect for that. It has a range of benefits, one of which makes it easier to clean in the future, so you should definitely consider that for a complete maintenance regime. That's about it for our leather cleaner. It's a really easy to use product with amazing results, so thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions about any of our products, please leave a comment below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.